Hello students, today we will learn a new kind of sum in which we have to use suspense account in order to balance the trial balance. That means the both side debit and credit side has to be tallied using a trial balance using a suspense account. Okay, so let us get started with the sum. Here are few balances of ledger accounts which is being given to you, and accordingly you will post them in the trial balance. Okay, so first of all, we have stock on 1/4/2007, 1st April 2007. So this is the opening stock. So opening stock will be recorded in the debit side of the trial balance. Then we have purchases. Purchases will be recorded in the debit side. Sales will be in the credit side. Salaries as an expense will be recorded in the debit side. Carriage inward, carriage outward, both are the expenses of the firm. So this is the carriage or the cost of procuring goods and selling of goods, I mean transportation cost. So this is both the expenses of the companies or the firm. So this will be both recorded in the debit side of the trial balance. Okay, then we have return inwards. Return inwards means sales return. Okay, so sales return contains debit balance. Return outwards. Return outward means purchase return, which contains credit balance. Okay, so return inward will be recorded on the debit side, and return outward will be recorded in the credit side. Then we have loan from bank. So this is loan liability will be recorded in the credit side of trial balance. Input GST, it is an expense for us, so recorded in the debit side. Output GST, which is collected from the customers, so that will be credited, I mean recorded in the credit side of trial balance. Premises means your assets, fixed assets. Premises means some free areas which you have bought or which you are using, so that is considered as a fixed asset, so that will be recorded in the debit side. Capital 1 lakh will be recorded in the credit side. And then we have closing stock, which is not adjusted. That means the closing stock account is not closed or balanced because some amount of stock is still lying with the company or with the business, so it will not be recorded in the trial balance. Okay, if it is written that closing stock adjusted, then only will record it in the trial balance, otherwise will not record it in the trial balance. So since here it is mentioned that it is not adjusted, so this will not come in the trial balance. Okay, so now accordingly we will post this in the trial balance. So let us go to the solution. So here we have the format of trial balance, that is trial balance of Y Limited as at the closing date 31st March 2008. You have to mention as at, this word has to be mentioned, okay, because it is for a particular period of time and trial balance is prepared on a regular interval or after an interval of 2 or 3 months, like this way. Okay, so you have to always mention the period. So first of all, we start with the opening stock. It is in debit side, purchase debit, sales credit, carriage inward outward both debit, return inwards debit, return outwards credit, loan from bank credit, input GST debit, output GST credit, premises debit, capital credit. Now when we tally or when we sum up both the debit side and credit side, we see that debit side is giving us a total of 3,67,000, but the credit side is being falling short by 86,000. So this balancing figure we are, that means the difference or the discrepancy that has arisen has to be mitigated through a suspense account, okay, for the time being. So just for the time being we are using suspense account and writing the balancing figure with it 86,000, and then we are making both the sides of trial balance equal. But at this after this, what we will do is we'll have a thorough checking of the trial balance, that is we'll see all the items that we have posted it correctly or not. Then we that means we have to look for the errors. Okay, then we have to see the other subsidiary books, that is purchase day book, then sales day book, the cash book. All these things are properly balanced or not, or there is some misposting or errors of posting or errors in the summing up of the subsidiary books, all these things has to be checked properly, and then we can obviously find the error, and so our trial balance will be automatically balanced without using the suspense account. So suspense account is only for the temporary basis. Okay, so if you face any problem while doing this sum, kindly approach me. Thank you, children.